But suppose it was 7833. Suppose it was not having 6, but it was having 7. The pink size will be above 500 plus, because this 7 determines the size of pink. Suppose the pink was 5833. If it was 5833, because 5 is low, size 20, 5 is low, size 21, then this pink will be low, size 21. That is how we get also the sizes of the pinks. I think I'm very clear, and I'm going very, very slow so that people can understand me. Now, suppose it is 6, suppose it was 33, 6. Then we are saying no to 6, meaning no to low, because 6 is low. The value of 6, the meaning of 6 is down. So no to down. This one is supposed to play high. And the pink size 36 is 10. Actually, it's 14. Pink size 36 is 14. Because we add 3 here, then it becomes 314. So that pink goes above 300. Are you getting what I'm saying? If you don't get my class, I'm sorry. Okay, suppose it was 335. Suppose it was 335. Then 35 is no pink. 35 is no pink or reduced pink. 35 is no pink or reduced pink, because 3 has reduced 5. 3 has reduced 5. So the payment of 3 and 5 is down. When we add another 3 here, it simply means the payment is up. And this payment is up, we'll be having many small pinks. Because remember, 5, the value of 1 is 3, is 5, is 7, is 9. And all these stand for split. All these stand for split. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 stand for split. So when we are increasing anything, even if it is 3, 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 3, 7, 3, 3, 9. All these are talking about split. And the size is low. The size is low. The size of this pink, the size of this pink here, 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, the size is low. But when you add another 3 behind here to make it 331, 333, 335, this one, the size becomes high. That repeating 3 is increasing. That's why we say we are increasing 1, we are increasing 2, 33 is increasing 3, 7 is increasing 7, 9 is increasing 9. When we increase 9, we are increasing splitting. When we increase 7, we are increasing the value of 7, which is pink. The size of pink goes above 200. When we increase 5, we are increasing the value of low pinks and low payment. The value of payment goes low, many blues, low purple, and low pink of 21. When we are increasing 333, we are increasing payment, meaning a lot of payment will happen, either many pinks or many blues, purples, no blue, very few blues. I'm done there. If you are following my lesson, you are understanding what I'm saying. So where are we? We are moving. Our time is 48. We have 12 minutes to end the video. We are here. I want for somebody who was in my class, I said something about here. When you see this, two purple with one blue in the middle. This one actually is 3 rounds. It is a structure of 3-3-3. And in this structure of 3-3-3, it simply means 1 15. On the left, it has 310, and on the left it has 310, and on the right it has 202. I want to break something down. The person who was in class understands that. The person who was in class understands that the 0 which comes in front of a number is 6. Therefore, whatever is here is 61.5. 61.5. And what is here? Somebody who was in class know that the 0 which is in the middle of two numbers is 4. So what is here is 52.4. So what are we saying? The first one, 61, is increasing 5. 61 high 5. And the second one is 52 high 4, or 42 high 5. 42 high 5. This is what it is. So let's explain. 61 high 5 is like saying we are going to pay low. And when are we going to pay low? This is 61 high 5, and this is 42 high 5, or this is 52 high 4. 52 high 4, because I want to wrap. So we have 61 high 5, and we have, where are we? We have 61 high 5, and we have 52 high 4. These are the two numbers that is giving us something here. Now, how do you add? Where do you add? We add here for those people who are in class. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Remember, 7 is the same as 9. So you count 9 steps. You count 7 steps, you enter. If you don't get it on 7, you get it on 9. And here is the same. We add here. So if you add these two, you get 7. 7. You get 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. And this 7 is the same as 9. So you can see this 61.5 is giving us the same number of steps as 52.4. 61.5 is giving us the same number of steps as 52.4. And all steps are, either we count 7 steps. If we don't get it, we count 9 steps. Let's count and see if it gives us what I'm trying to tell you. So where are we? We were here on 3 blues, 3 rounds. Where is 3 rounds actually? Here, we are here. So we are here. So we are saying we count 7 steps. If we don't get it on 7, we get it on what? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we get it here. If we miss it here, we get it on 9. 7, 8, 9. We get it here. So you can see all this. All this is giving us a place to chop. So you can see you can chop here 376 plus, or you fail on 55 and chop 490. So the one who is playing 3 and 4, you can get it. The one who is playing 2 and 3, you can get it. Like me, who plays 4 and above, I can get both of them easily. I think we are done there. So we come here now. Now we are here. Guys, you can see here we have 3 You can see here we have 3 purple, and I told you something about 3 purples. What did I say about 3 purples? Anytime you see 3 rounds together, you go for the middle. You go for the middle. So the middle is here, 741, meaning 7 increasing 41. So it is either 74 increasing 1 or 41 increasing 7. Those people who are in class, they know that 7 is a value of pink, and 41 is the steps. So it is 4 plus 1, which is what? 5. So in the what? And remember 4 is 6. Guys, here I'm a bit wrong. Let me correct. So here, guys, here it is 6 plus 1, which is 7. Same as 9. Same as 9. Don't forget that 4 is 6, guys. So 6 plus 1 is 7, same as 9. Therefore, in 9 steps, in 7 or 9 steps, we need to get a pink. We need to get a pink. We need to get a pink. So let's count 7 or 9 steps from 741. And remember, because we are talking about 7. So we count 7 as here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we are getting a pink here in 3 purple. We are getting a pink here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it is refusing. It is refusing. It is giving us 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It wants us to use 7. Is okay. 7 is giving us 79, and 79 is reducing 9. Reducing 9 or reducing split. The split is low. And the 9 is low. So the split is the pinks that are playing out of split, that are low pinks. That's what it is saying. But I can also use this. Suppose it is 7. You know, I wrote it wrongly. This is how it is. I did a mistake in writing. You know, when you change the arrangement, it changes the meaning. That is how I lost it. You know, if it is like these guys, it's different from when it is like the second one. 41 increasing 7 on the first one, the one I have circled. This one is we are increasing 7 now. We are increasing 7 now. And that means 4 plus 1 is 5. Or 6 plus 1 is 7. So in the next 7, either in 5 or in 7 or in 9 steps, we immediately get a pink. In 5 or 7 or 9, we get a pink. A good pink, a big pink here. The first one. Okay? The first one. That's what it means. But when it is on the second one here, 7, being increased by 41, this one, you can see this one is later. I told you that when we are increasing on the right, it is later. When we are increasing on the left, is now. So this one is later. That is why, if you count 7, we are getting here because it is later. And if you count 9, we are getting it here. It is later. The word later means late. It is going to pay pink, but late. It is going to pay pink, but late. So there are 2 things I want also to inform you. Either anytime you see 5, 7, 9, this is later. This is one way of knowing that it will pay later. If it uses these initials, 5, 7, and 9 pays later. If it uses also increasing, increase is on the right. If the increase is on the right, then it is later. If the increase is on the left, then it is now. Let me give you an illustration. 20, let me use a different one. Let me use 31. 31 increase 4 and 4 increase 31. Guys, it is not the same. It is different. The first one in white, 31 increase 4. We are increasing 4 in 3 plus 4 steps. Now we are increasing 4 in white. We are increasing 4 in 3 plus 1, which is 4. So 4, we count 6 steps. 3, let me use white because it's white. In 3 plus 1 is 4. So in either 4 or 6 steps, we are going to get a pink size 4. And the pink size 4 is 16 to 24. But if it is because of 31 is high, because 3 is pay. So the pay of these 4 here will not be 14 to 24. Because of 3, this pay is likely to be above 4. 4 is 60. This pay is above 60. This pay is above 60. You see? That pay is above 60. Here. There is something concerning here, guys. There is something concerning here. We are having 55. And on the right is 3. Let me use a different color. 3. And on the left is 0. So 0 is like saying 6. So guys, here we have 6, 5, 5 stroke. Here we have 5, 5, 3. So these are two things that are happening here, guys. The first one is that 55, 6 is being increased by 55. This is later. For those who are in class, you know the meaning of letter. And this one is 55 is increasing 3 now. 55 is increasing 3 now. Somebody who was in class from the beginning of the lesson or last week knows that when a number repeats itself, it says no. Therefore, 5 single is low, 5 double is high. High. Therefore, 55 3 for now, we are saying no to low now. No to low now. And let me even write it well here. Let's write 53 for letter. 53 increasing 5. This is letter now. 53, because I told you, if I say 55, then it is low. It is low, it is not high. Because 55 is for now. I will also explain that one later. Let me just finish here. So this one is 53 is increasing 5, but later. Meaning 53